Assalamualaikum. My name is Aiman Haris bin Today I want to talk about home security system, which is a lot sensor we need for home security system. First, the picture at the first video, uh, that's the example of uh, motion sensor, which is how a motion sensor is work. A motion detector is electrical device that utilizes a sensor to detect nearby motion. Such a device is often integrated as a component of a system that automatically performs a task or alerts a user of motion in area. Okay, the second picture I show you is a smoke alarm or smoke detector. Okay. Smoke alarm have a small amount of radioactive material between two electrical charge plates, which is ionize the air and cause current to flow between the plates. When smoke enter the chamber, it disrupt the flow of ion, thus reducing the flow of current and activating the alarm.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Amir. So I will explain to you about actuator. An actuator operates in the reverse direction of a sensor. It takes electrical input and change it into physical action. So my example for actuator is a hydraulic actuator. So hydraulic actuator consists of cylinder or motor fluid, and it uses hydraulic power to operate mechanical operation. So mechanical motion give an output in terms of linear, rotatory or oscillatory motion. As liquid are nearly impossible to be compressed, it can exert a large force.
Okay, after this I will show you a platform of IoT, which is a Node-RED and Arduino IDE. Okay, let's go. Hello, today I want to talk about what is Node-RED and how it works. Okay, Node-RED is a programming tool for wiring together hardware device, uh, APIs and online service in new interesting ways. It provides a browser-based adapter that makes it easy to wire together flow using the wide range of nodes in the plates that can be deployed to its runtime in the single click. Okay, after I explained the node rate sensor of home security, I will explain one of IoT platform, which is Arduino IDE. Okay, let's go. Okay, what is Arduino? Okay, as you, as you can see this video, Arduino is a full programming, and uh, this application is right in function from C and C++. It, it, it is used to write and upload programs to Arduino compatible boards, but also with the help of third-party cores, uh, others vendors development and boards. Okay, that's all for me. I hope we see you again. Bye.
IoT middleware is a software that serves as an interface between components of IoT, it making communication possible among elements that would not otherwise be capable. So for example of IoT middleware is Oracle, which is this Oracle cloud service is a managed platform as a service cloud-based offering that help you make critical business decision and strategies by allowing you to connect your devices to the cloud, and it will analyze your data from the devices and integrate your data.
Assalamualaikum, saya Fatimah Zahra. I want to tell you about the function of middleware Open IoT. First, dealers Open IoT DOL or dealers physical damage coverage refers to physical damage coverage for anything from jet skis to autos, trucks, and even recreational vehicles being hacked in a dealer's inventory for resale. Second, there are four basic levels of protection for Open IoT coverage: unprotected lots, non-standard protection, standard protection, and building protection. Next is function of middleware freeware. The freeware community is not only formed by contributors to the technology, the freeware platform, but also those who contribute in building the freeware ecosystem and making it sustainable over time. Next is programming language of C. First, the language hides nothing from you, and that means you can fiddle with every part of the code to squeeze out the best performance from an underpowered device. Every bit can be flipped. Every value on the stack is available. Just don't make a mistake because there are few safety nets. More advanced or bigger devices with full operating systems still use plenty of C code. For example, when a smartphone comes from Apple, much of the programming is still done in Objective. Next is programming language of Python. It started as a scripting language to glue together your code, but is increasingly used as the main language for many developers. When small devices have enough memory and computational power, the developers are free to choose the language. Second, that makes their life easier, and that is more and more often turning out to be Python. There are also versions designed to be even smaller. The MicroPython board and software package is a small microcontroller optimized to run Python on a small board that's only a few square inches. That's all from me. Thanks.
Assalamualaikum and hello to everybody. In this video, I want to share with you about the use of embedded board and wireless connection in home security system. The first of the topic that we want to talk is embedded board. The example of embedded board are Arduino Uno and Raspberry Pi. The Arduino Uno is an open source microcontroller board based on the microchip ATmega 328P microcontroller and developed by Arduino.cc. This Arduino collects the data from the sensor and divide the data to sub-bit and send to the actuator and at the same time our phone as the monitor. This Arduino is very cheap than the others embedded boards. The second example is Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a series of small single board computer developed in the United Kingdom by the Raspberry Pi Foundation in association with Broadcom.inc. This Raspberry Pi can do at the same thing that Arduino do, but faster than Arduino. Second of the topic is wireless connection. The example of wireless connection are Wi-Fi and Zigbee. The Zigbee technology is designed to carry small amounts of data over a short distance while consuming very little power. It is a mesh networking standard, which means each node in the network is connected to each other. This means you don't have to rely solely on the router and the endpoint. Wi-Fi is a local area network (LAN) that provides internet access within a limited range. It is what you use as your home network and what most public use. This Wi-Fi topology make it easy to add or remove device without affecting the rest of the network. If you use Zigbee, you can get a mesh networking standard, but if you use Wi-Fi, it is faster than Zigbee. But Wi-Fi does not have power consumption. Wi-Fi, as you know, can send data faster than Zigbee. So, what will you choose? Comment below. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen.